to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how pomegranate juice is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Fresh pomegranate arrives daily for careful inspection and sorting.
Every pomegranate is checked for color, ripeness, and quality.
Each pomegranate is washed thoroughly for clean, safe processing. All pomegranates are being guided properly.
The sensor readings are perfectly consistent across the board.
Modern systems prepare every pomegranate with speed and precision. Fresh pomegranate is crushed to release its rich, natural juice. Pomegranate seeds are pressed gently for maximum juice extraction. Pomegranate juice is blended carefully for smooth, balanced flavor. Every pomegranate batch is monitored for perfect quality control. Processed pomegranate juice flows smoothly into the refining stage. Pomegranate juice is filtered carefully for purity and smooth texture. Each pomegranate batch is refined for perfect consistency and freshness. Robotic systems keep every pomegranate batch precise and consistent. Blended pomegranate develops its bold color and smooth taste. Fresh pomegranate juice is filled quickly into clean glass bottles. Each pomegranate bottle is sealed tightly for freshness and safety. Every pomegranate bottle is labeled with speed and perfect accuracy. Packed pomegranate bottles are boxed carefully for safe delivery.
Every pomegranate bottle is inspected before leaving the factory.
Each pomegranate carton is checked and sealed for safe transport. Each pomegranate carton is checked and sealed for safe transport. Finished pomegranate orders are loaded and prepared for delivery.
And that's how pomegranate juice is made, from fresh fruit to a delicious drink.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.